Hello everybody, how are y'all doing? This is Cindy with Cindy's Traveling Crafts. Yeah. Okay, so I have unboxings for y'all. Yep. I got these in yesterday, and I tried to make video. Couldn't do it. So, all these that I'm going to show you today, I've already got the wrappers off. Yes, I've opened them because I was trying to make the video. So, this is try like 5, 6, something like that. I first got them in the mail yesterday, and Ginger was sleeping. Didn't want to wake her up. Well, as she's waking up, I'm falling asleep. So when I finally woke up, I'm like, all right, I'm going to come over here. I'm going to make video. Get it all set up. Hit the record. Power goes off. So it's pitch black. Can't see nothing. I'm like, damn it. So I'm like, all right, I'll go sit back on the couch. Mess with my phone a little bit. Battery slowly dying. And I'm like, all right, I'm going to take a nap. Lay down. Head hits the pillow. I close my eyes. Power comes back on. Oh, right. Yay. I'm going to come back over here and make a video. I am not joking. I get everything ready for the video. I touch the box like this. Power goes off. I'm like, son of a beep, 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 beep. Yeah, I was cursing. So I'm like, forget it. Put it up. Go sit down. A little bit later, power comes back on. And it's on for like 15, 20 minutes. I'm like, alright, so it's going to stay on. So I'm going to come over here and make a video. So I sit down. I haven't even touched the box at this time. And power starts flashing. I'm like, crap. So I say forget it. I set it aside. I go sit back down on the couch. And I'm waiting. Finally, the power comes on. No problems, right? So, I'm in the middle of making the video. My phone dies. So, I put my phone on charge. And I'm like, okay, I can combine the videos to make one. Yeah. For some reason my phone wouldn't let me do that. So, I'm like, crap. So, I gave up. I'm like, this is a new day. This is a new video. So, y'all bear with me because... yeah, we're going to try this. I have 4 canvases I'm going to show y'all today. Or attempt to show y'all. If it doesn't work this time, I'm going to say forget it. Y'all don't need to see them. How's that? Okay. This first one is called This Little Light of Mine. It's a round with ABs. The size is a 42 by 75 centimeter. And that's what her looks like. My phone would focus. It's just going to be stupid today. That's what it's going to be. It's going to be stupid today. How that light is hot. Usually it's not hot. But anyway. The kit. The canvas. The gorgeous drills, and the box is empty. Set that beside me because I'm going to be using it here in a minute. Okay, set those aside, set that aside. Anyway, here we go. And before we get too far, see if this will focus this away. Very clear drill field. Are you gonna focus? Close enough. Anyway, clear drill field. Very, very clear. Holding the candle. She is so gorgeous. And there's the sticker. There's 42 colors on her. She has 2 ABs. One's a cream color and one is a yellowish color. So but that's what she's supposed to look like. I'll roll this back up into canvas if it'll let me. That way I don't lose it. Check the sticky. Sticky. Yep. Put that back down. Again, I've got 3 others that I'm going to show y'all, so I'm trying to make this somewhat quick. That way it doesn't take forever and a day to upload and post. So there's that one. Again, I've already gone through these. Yeah, set that there. And in this kit, for those that are new and have never seen a Diamond Art Club before, you get when the thing comes in, the drill pin is just the pin, single placer, and this 3 placers just sitting in the bag, and the squishies in the bag. But I've already, again, tried to make video, so this is already put together. You get the baggies, you get a clear drill tray with a funnel. You also get, because it's Diamond Art Club and they love you enough to send twice the love, 2 hearts of wax. So you got plenty of wax to complete your painting with. And I can't hold on to nothing today. Check me out. Aren't I doing swift? So, put that back in the bag. Now, I'm not going to open the rest of the kits with the pins and all. Because they're all pretty much the same as just squares. Usually have a set of tweezers, depending on if they're old set or a new set. So, set that aside. I'm not going to go through all these, but some gorgeous colors in there. There's blues, there's grays and purples, and some greens and yellows. So yeah, that's going to be gorgeous when it's done. Now here comes the fun part. Putting it back in the box. Drills first. Canvas. And tray. And it went in there with no problem. Check me out. I'm doing good. Okay, there's that one. Set that over here out of the way. Now this one, hopefully it won't do what it did earlier when I was trying to do it. This one makes me cry just thinking about it. But anyway, Forever in My Heart, square with ABs, and it's a 70 by 50 centimeter. Those of you who don't know, I have been pregnant 4 times. But I only have 2 children. My first pregnancy was a tubular pregnancy that I literally died on the operating table 3 different times. And they had to bring me back. Yeah. And that was with twins. Then I had my sweet, loving daughter. Then I had a miscarriage with twins. And then I had my son. After him, I'm like, nope, I'm done. Tie it, get rid of it. Whatever. So I had my tubes tied. And then later on, I had other issues that caused me to go in and have a hysterectomy. So, yeah, no more kids. So, there's that. But, forever in my heart. That's what that looks like. A child that's gone to heaven is watching over us. Yep. Let's see if it'll focus on this one. Very clear drill field. Super, super sticky canvas. Let me go. Wow. Look at that. So gorgeous. So very gorgeous. When this one is done, I plan on putting it with Talithia Coom, because the story behind Talithia Coom is very heart-wrenching, close to my heart kind of thing. And yeah. So to me, these two should go together, and they should be together. And that's the way I'm going to do it. At least that's the way I want to do it. Let's put it like that. Because there is a small, ever so small possibility I may be traveling soon. And if so, I'm going to have to figure out what I'm going to do with all the diamond paintings I've got completed already. But no matter what, I'm taking all the ones that I've still yet to do with me. I don't care what I got to do to do that. But sorry, trying not to cry. It has a lot of oranges and browns. There's the AB is white, and it's right there, 141. And that's 310, which is black. And in there you see the 939s, which is the navy blue color. Oh, this has got the old kind. I like that one. Forever in My Heart, and it was hatched on 4/6 of 2019. So, April 6th. Yep. Again, I'm not going to go through them because I got others to show y'all. Slide that off in there. Put this back in there. And tray. Check me out. I got 2 of them in there. No problem. There's that one. Set it off to the side. Now this one makes me laugh. This one makes me laugh. Okay. If y'all are on Rachel's channel and y'all are fans of hers like I am, hi niece, if you watch this, she did this one, and oh my word, the color blocking is beyond, and it's all 310s. So this is a round with AB. It's a 77 by 55, and the title of it is Nightbringer. And I thought it was gorgeous, and I had to have it. So, depending on what my future holds will depend on a lot of things in the future, whether or not I make more videos, what have you. Well, I'm gonna make more videos, but on how much I upload. But I'm trying to get me a stash built up, so when and if I do start traveling, I won't have to worry about ordering anything. So y'all just seeing uploads of whips and chat kind of things, because I'll have to change it from unboxings and unbaggings to whip and chats. But look at all those 310s. Oh my word. And it goes into the teals and greenish colors and blues. And there's the AB, which is white. So, yeah. That's going to be fun. Find out a container to hold all those 310s. Phew! Yeah. We're going to try to see how focused my phone will get on this. Nice clear drill field. Yep. Test the sticky on this. Very, very sticky. Oh wow. That is gorgeous. But that's a lot of 310s. So stunning. I am in love. That is gorgeous. Look at the rack. Nice rack. Yeah, I'll give that. Very, very gorgeous. Absolutely love it. I eventually will get the Canvas Wanderer, which I think matches this pretty good. So, yeah. Yes, I love wolves, but I also like deers and eagles and stuff like that. So, yep. That's me. Put that back in its little protective pouch. Let's see if I get it in there. There's that. Canvas back in there. And now for the tray. 3 out of 3. That's not bad. Ta-da. Now, for the last one, and the biggest one, the heaviest one, yeah, it's heavy. This is a square, and it's 165 by 55. Yeah, it's quite big, quite large. So, let's check this baby out. And the title of this is Enchanted Forest. This is the best way of getting everything on the windscreen. That's the way it's gonna look. Yep. So, and this one, yep. There's tweezers in there. Let's see. So, 2 packages of drills. Set that aside. Again, a square. And there are no ABs on this one. No ABs. So, yeah. 28 colors. Yep. Enchanted Forest. Okay. Huh? Gonna be a lot of 310s on that one. Let's see if we can get it to focus. Again, very clear drill field. Let's test out the sticky on this. Well, very sticky. And look at that. Look at that. Look, it's Red Riding Hood family. No, actually, I think it's Hansel and Gretel. Keeps going and 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 going, and it's still going. But yeah, that is huge. Okay, we're gonna do it this way. roll up, roll up, roll up, roll up, roll up. We're gonna do it like this. Okay. 28 colors. I'm gonna start rolling it slowly. Lovely tree. So once this is completed, I'm going to have to put it somewhere to where I can stand back and get the whole thing all in the picture. Another tree. All these knots and detail in this. It's going to be awesome. There they are. I'm going to roll this up into the canvas so I don't lose it. There's the last tree right here. So yeah. One huge painting. Huge, I'm telling you. Huge. No, these are not brand new canvases. They've been out for a while. I just haven't got them until now. But I think they are going to be an absolute delight to work on. And if I do start traveling, if I have rainy days, whatever, I will be making videos and posting them. Whipping chat. Get in there. So, hopefully I'll get to start traveling like I want. That way, I can make at least one of my dreams come true. Quit trying to come open down there. There we go. Hey, I got them all back in. Yay! Get the lid to close. But, yep. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Yep. And for those of y'all that don't like Diamond Art Club, I am so sorry, but I happen to love this company. And I will continue to buy from this company when funds allow it. No, I am not rich by any means, but I work hard for what I do have. And this is one of my very few artsy, crafty kind of projects that I love to do on a regular basis. So I want to get me a stash built up for not only hard times, but stressful times. Now I'm going to add some more onto my desk because I've had these set beside me and I just need to get them off the floor. That was Once Upon a Dark Night. That's one of the newest ones. So yeah, I got quite a few. And that's, I call her Elena. Anyway, it's that one. I've got beautiful beach, beautiful bridge. I've got Dahlia, which I'm really looking forward to doing this one. Probably do that one next. This one up there. I'm going by size. And the last unicorn. Yay. Those are the ones that are in the boxes. Then I've got some over on the other side of the room in canvas tube, arts and crafts tube thing. And over underneath my bed, I've got a few more in the boxes. So I've got me a good stash built up on those. That one will last me a couple of months on its own. Because I don't diamond paint as fast as other people. I'm not as slow as some, but I'm not as fast as others. I go at my pace, and I've got to be in the mood to do this. Just like with anything. If I'm not in the mood for it, it's not going to relax me, so. And right now, I think I'm in the mood to do it. Which means I've got to go get my painting, get it set up, and go from there. So, if y'all like this video, give it a thumbs up. If not, give it a thumbs down. Thanks for the watch time. If y'all have any questions or comments, go ahead and leave them in the comment section below. Yeah. Hope to see y'all soon. I'll talk to you later. Stay safe in all you do. Stay true to you. Bye.